Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya M. Welcome. Here we do wig reviews and installs. Mostly synthetic, but I do throw in some human hair every now and then when I can afford it. But I love synthetic wigs. I prefer them because they come pre-styled, pre-colored, affordable. You can still even with synthetic wigs, like you can always, revive them. That's the word I'm looking for. You can always revive them and wear them again. So I'm team synthetic wig. Call me cheap, basic, whatever. I don't give a damn. Anyway, if you're here, you most likely love synthetic wigs too. I'm going to be doing a review today on this gorgeous unit. But if you like the one that I have on my head, you can always click the link in the description box. And you can see, who she is and her name and where you can find her. But today's wig is by Bobbi Boss. Bobbi Boss is one of the top wig companies that I tend to purchase from. Mind you, most of my wigs are all purchased. Like, I do a collab every now and then with the wig company, but most likely I'm just gonna buy the wig myself. I don't wait. But this is by Bobbi Boss. It is one of their Bobbi Boss First Classic Hair Wear and Go. Capture a new look each and every day. So it's a very simple, easy wig to wear for those that are beginners and you like color. If you like color, this is definitely the wig to purchase because it comes in a variety of different colors. Okay. First off, her name is Denisha. MLF 725 Denisha. And the color I have is 2T 613 orange. That means two tones. So it has two tones of 613 and then orange there, so it makes it look really highlighted and pretty. Looks like these wigs nowadays are starting to look so realistic with the coloring. Like, it's not just a flat color, they're adding dimension, so it looks like somebody watercolored this wig. So gorgeous. That's why I grabbed her. This is how she looks on the model. Very gorgeous, very much Tanya style. It's definitely a 70s type of hairstyle. So it does have baby hairs, it does have baby hairs, not a lot, which is, I don't mind it because, I just push them back and take out what I need. It has a flex fit cap, and so it's a mesh, so it flexes. Definitely big head friendly. It's a 3.5 deep parting. So yeah, definitely, I might go in and pluck it. I'm not sure. I'll tell once I get her on. And it has the Medi Fresh Safe and Clean cap, and it's the HD lace. What else? Heat safe styling. Always love the heat safe styling synthetic wigs because you go revive them or change the style how you like. I might actually straighten this joint out. We'll see. These are the special colors again. I did purchase the blue, so if you want to see the blue, let me know and I'll make that video for you. Excuse my missing nail. The jaw cracked. I had to take her off. And it has the red, it has the blondes. Yeah. So cap construction, I already said it's a T-part wig. Cannot do any extra plucking. Do not try. You're going to be having track show if you do. There's the two combs on the side. Extra comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Traditional synthetic wig cap construction. Okay. So, again, with this unit, I did not show the install. I'm not going to show the install with this unit either. I'm just going to throw her on and then come back and let you know my final thoughts. However, if you want to see an install, there's definitely T-part install, wig installs on my channel. Just go down the line, or you can click the link in the description box to go to a T-part wig install tutorial. Does not feel like doing tutorials today, guys. I'm not. But the next video I do, I will be doing a tutorial because it's going to be a lace frontal unit. Anyway, see you guys soon with the wig installed. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have the wig installed and I'm just gonna say I'm not that happy. Like, I love the style, I love the color. I already mentioned that in the beginning of the video, but the cap construction is not the best. Okay, so I didn't see this until I put it on, but the lace stops like right here. It doesn't go ear to ear, so it's like these tracks right here. So I couldn't pull out a lot of baby hair to try to cover up, like make it a little swoop to do. That way I can just put the hair behind my ear. I couldn't do that. the baby hairs. The other side, same situation, except the lace kind of did go on, but it stopped right here. It still didn't go in the ear, but it stopped further than the other one, and I just couldn't grab enough hair to do the swoop the doops. I of course was able to do it here, but you know, the orange, that's not really their fault because the orange is kind of like transparent. But honestly, it kind of is because there wasn't enough lace and hair to be able to pull out hair and make a bold like orange swoop. So it's kind of fading into my skin. It's just like, now this one is cheap too. I think this one was 20 something. So I grabbed two. I knew it had to be cheap. It's definitely under $30 and it shows. That's what I can say about Outre, Sensational. You know, even with their T-part wigs, it's like top-notch quality. Not saying Bobbi Boss isn't quality. I love a lot of their wigs. I love their 4x4 wigs. I have tons of them. But me, it's like Outre, Sensational, top brands that I purchase from. And it's Bobbi Boss. But now I'm about to not buy Bobbi Boss T-parts, you know, because what do I really can't do that with this. It looks really like the hairline is really boxy. Usually pulling out the baby hairs helps alleviate that look of boxiness. But this one, I just couldn't. I couldn't. Like, I've never not been able to. You know, look, the track is like right there. I can't pull it back like how I do. Like, the lace is literally just here. And that's the only where part they put hand-tied hairs is right here in this area. And it's like, what, 2 inches. The rest is just straight tracks. Just straight tracks glued onto the damn lace. Y'all might as well have just did a lace parts wig. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. At least with this area, I was able to at least, you know, do the baby hairs. I can't pull the wig back because it just looks crazy. So you really gotta walk around with it like this. Just like this, or shift it to the side. I will say that's the only positive thing about it not being ear to ear is that you can shift this wig very easily and it will still be comfortable. This is a small cap. Another thing, the adjustable straps. Usually you could pull them and it extends out of the cap. This one was just like little tiny straps sewn onto the cap. That was kind of like odd to me. It wasn't really a problem, but it was different. Yeah, this is probably about a good 16, 18 inches long. I love the layering. I love the style. I love the color. Bobbi Boss never miss with the color. They really should just focus on they need to just focus on the damn lace frontals. They have this color and a lace frontal. I'll be like that, grabbing it up. They never miss with their colors. Never. Especially their like exotic colors. They never miss. So kudos to them for that. Like, them and Zuri never miss with the colors. Especially for those who like the wild, like, colorful hair. Never miss. But this T-part is not hitting. I mean, it's cute. I'm gonna wear her, but no. This is something for, like, I'm gonna throw on for Halloween. Oh, the one thing I can say, doesn't have a lot of snagging, and that's because this hair is like a light yaki. So I was interested. I wasn't expecting it to be a light yaki, but it is, and it's really nice. Like, I like, I don't really like yaki, but I love light yaki. So I do love the hair texture for this. It feels very natural. But yeah. Anyways, anybody have any other questions? Comment down below, and I'll answer them for you in a hurry, in a jiffy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. There will be a video for this on TikTok and some pictures on Instagram. Don't forget to hit like for this video and then subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thanks for watching. Bye.